Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something very special and festive, a Christmas tree. Let's grab our black marker and start drawing together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a star right at the top center of our page. This will be the shining star on top of our Christmas tree. Now, starting from the bottom of the star, let's draw the tree leaves step by step all the way to the bottom. Make zigzag shapes to give the tree its nice leafy look. Great job! Next, let's draw the stem of the tree. And under that, we'll draw a round base so our Christmas tree can stand tall and steady. Now comes the fun part, decorations. Let's draw some small circles on the tree leaves. These are our Christmas ornaments. Wow, it's already looking so festive. Nice job, everyone! Our Christmas tree drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Awesome! Isn't it looking amazing?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Grab your color pens. We're going to use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Look how bright and colorful our Christmas tree looks now. Fantastic work, friends! You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring this Christmas tree. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family.
Yay!
And remember to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun drawings with Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.